Hello, welcome to this video where I'm going to take a brief look at curves and how we can use them. We're actually going to create convert it to a mesh object at the end, but this is kind of a reminder for myself as well. But if we're adding a curve, we can use the shortcut, which is Shift A, and we can go to the curve option. I'm going to choose Bezier curve. And there is our Bezier curve. Now, I'm going to need to duplicate this, so I'm going to press Shift D because I'm going to need another one of those. Okay, but let's look at this first curve. We've got our spare curve there, and we have some. We have the properties of the curve right here. So if I'm clicking on this, I can go to Geometry, and in Geometry I'm going to increase the depth, and that way I get this sort of pipe like object. And the reason we needed the second curve is we can use this one as a taper object. So with the first curve selected, I'm going to click here on this sort of square with brackets on the outside and choose Bezier curve 001, and this is now controlling the taper of this object. Okay, so if we go to select this object, I'm going to go to my Z view, and I'm just going to move so I can see that with Shift and middle mouse, and I'm going to go into edit mode so that I can modify these, and you can see how I can make adjustments to my curve. So I'm going to move this one, and I'm going to also rotate this so that I can modify this. You can also scale that and rotate it again. So we get this sort of opening that's larger at this end, which is good. Let's press G again, and let's move this up and up. So we've got this sort of shape going on, okay, because the curve looks like that, and that's affected the shape that I have on this one. Okay, let's go back to object mode, and this is quite an interesting shape that we can then use, and we can right click and we can convert this to a mesh if we wanted to, and that's now a mesh object with nice equally spread out quads, okay, which is good. And we can use this with another add-on, which is the Ivy Gen, and we'll do that in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching.